Hello. In this video I will show you how to make money. Making money in 2023 will largely depend on the prevailing economic climate and various trends. However, here are some general strategies you can consider. 1. Invest in the stock market. Research and invest in promising companies or sectors that you believe will do well in the coming years. Consider diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risks. 2. Start a business. Identify market gaps or emerging trends and build a business around them. Use innovative marketing strategies and leverage technology to create a competitive advantage. 3. Embrace the gig economy. Explore various online platforms that offer freelance or gig opportunities in your area of expertise. Utilize your skills to provide services on a flexible basis, such as graphic design, content writing, or coding. 4. Invest in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen substantial growth in recent years. Educate yourself on the market and consider investing in cryptocurrencies. But be aware of the associated risks and volatility. 5. Develop and sell digital products. With the increasing popularity of online platforms, consider creating and selling digital products like ebooks, courses. Focus on niche markets that have strong demand. 6. Participate in the sharing economy. Utilize platforms that allow you to monetize your assets. For instance, you can rent out your spare room on Airbnb or participate in car-sharing services to generate extra income. 7. Focus on sustainability and green initiatives. As the world becomes more environmentally conscious, sustainable businesses and products are likely to gain traction. Consider starting a business that aligns with eco-friendly practices. 8. Take advantage of emerging technologies. Stay updated with the latest trends and advancements in technology. Develop skills in areas like artificial intelligence, virtual reality, blockchain, or Internet of Things. These fields may present lucrative job opportunities. It's important to remember that these strategies carry varying levels of risk, so it's essential to do your research, stay informed, and make informed decisions based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you like the video, click the like button and subscribe to the channel.